In this lesson, I will show you how to make a form using Google Forms. Once you're logged into your Google account, in the upper right is the waffle. Select the waffle, select Drive, and when the new window appears, in the upper left is a blue button that's called New. Select it, go down to More, and over to Google Forms. You now have a blank Google form. If I select Untitled Form, I can rename the form, and I'm calling mine SLO Survey. The next line down is form description. If you have additional information that you want the survey taker to use, you could put that here. I do not, so I'm going to select Untitled Question and go into my first question. Do you have a computer at home? A good question for my A+ students to if they can work at home or not. Google Forms knows that this is a yes, no, maybe question. So I could add all, but in my case, I don't want maybe, so I'm going to select yes and no. Down here in the bottom right of the form, I want to make sure the students answer it, so I make it required for them to move on. I'm done with that slide. The next, I want to add a next question. This circle with the plus in it is add a question. I'm on question 2. What is your favorite subject? Good question. And now I select option 1 and I start typing in subjects. I want math. I want to add another selection. Add option. Science. Add an option. Lunch. Add a fourth option. History. Add one more. English. Now it also gives me an add other option. I'm going to put add other in there. Other, the student can choose that and select that theirs might be PE or orchestra or Spanish. So I look over my form and I say, oh, lunch is a little silly to have in there. I just go to the X across from lunch, select it, and lunch is gone. I'm going to make that required again, and now I have my form. To send my form, I come up to the send button, and I can have email. I can email if I want. So if I had a group or if I had certain people I wanted to, I would type their email in here. I would include the form in the email, and they will get sent the form in the email. I can also use the link button. Google Docs makes a link for me. I can shorten it. I could write that on the board. I could copy that link, and I could paste it somewhere else where I share with other students or people. I could also send it with an embedded HTML. That means I can select that and I can copy that and I can put that right in my web page where students have access to it.